Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back. We are going to be doing something a little different today. We're going to be going over, this is going to be a game demo. So this is a game I created using SDL2 as well as C++, titled Whip, Jump Kick, Grab, which is a Street Fighter-esque game with a little bit of a twist. So it has like these RPG or JRPG style turn-based well, not turn-based. It's not like one after the other. But you have like options to choose. So you have at the end of every single combat, you have this phase where you do like special attacks, and these special attacks are one of three options: whip, jump kick, and grab. And it works very much the same to rock paper scissors. One special attack beats the other, and yeah, so you have like a combat period where you do combos and do cool Street Fighter stuff. Although I mean, it's not as good as Street Fighter. I'd hate to warn you on that. It's definitely not. It's definitely more bare bones, but still fun nonetheless. So we'll just go ahead, hop right into it, and let's look at some of the features it's got to offer. So this is the main menu here. You control it using the arrow keys as well as Z and X. So Z to select, X to go back. So in combat, you have three different keys that help you, and that is the Z, X, and C key. Z to push the player away. So this game is kind of all about positioning. So each special attack has different ranges, as well as you have different priorities. So priority switches every single round as to who attacks with their move first. And then kick does the most damage, but it also leaves you pretty vulnerable at the end of it. And then block, which mitigates damage from kick as well as reduces hit stun, and completely negates push. So you don't get pushed back from push. So if you go up and block someone, you get to pretty much counter them pretty consistently. So we're going to jump into single player here, and let's go ahead and just start with hard. So this is, as you can see, it says round one, select attack. So this is where we choose our different options. So jump kick beats whip, and grab beats jump kick, and then whip beats grab. So those are the three different options there. So we'll choose jump kick, and he's just off. He's running away. We went and successfully blocked his kick, but he still was able to get some damage in, and we went through that round with a win. Okay, so we went jump kick, and it looks like he either went with jump kick as well, or he went with whip. So that's how we won there. So let's choose a different option here. Let's choose whip. He currently has priority, but we're a bit quicker, so we can actually go up there, have easier time kicking him. We can push him away a little bit. We'll make sure we get a little bit close, because whip doesn't have the longest range. He went with jump kick, so we got absolutely destroyed. Sucks to suck. And we're on to round three, where we will actually choose the correct option and end up beating this guy, because he sucks. And we're good. So we blocked his push, but then he just comboed us anyways, because we're bad. But he still falls down in the end, because we're good. And there you go. That's the game. It's pretty fun. I mean, obviously, it's pretty only playable, I'd say, as a single-player game. The multiplayer game, you can play with multiple people, but it's not connected to network or anything like that. You have to set it up with like two people on the same keyboard, so it's not really that user-friendly, I guess would be the way to describe it. But anyways, that's the game. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this kind of video. In the future, I definitely have more games I could show off, so if this is something you guys like, make sure you leave some feedback or something. Do whatever you can. Even watching it is good enough. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys later.